All right, so let us just quickly go back through the question. So we would have done the labeling. We would have written the equation or the Pythagoras theorem in this form, starting with your hypotenuse. We could, from the formula, we could make a rearrangement there, because since we are solving for C, we could put this B square across and subtract it from A square. But notice I did two things at this point. I bring over the B square to the left, and then I flip around the equation. That is totally okay. All right. And then now I would have put in the values, simplify the values. Then now I would have found the square root of that. So this part of it now is that our units must be presented in our answer. And even though we work the question without referring to the units, your final answer must take into account the units, which is the unit of measurement that you're using. In this case, you're using centimeters, so your answer must be in centimeters. And as I mentioned before, if the question has measurement round off to 1 decimal place, then your answer should take measurement of 1 decimal place. So you should round off your answer to 1 decimal place as well. Is that clear, everybody? Any question? All right, so let me just, okay, all right. So we're actually going to be looking at some properties of isosceles triangle next, and how Pythagoras theorem can also be applied to an isosceles triangle. So we'll look at that when we come to the next class tomorrow. And so we will continue our lesson then. All right, guys.